Nature-based solutions describe the sustainable and targeted management of ecosystems in form of protection, conservation and restoration, with the overall aim to address multiple social, economic and environmental challenges at the same time. If, for example, a coastal community is planting or restoring mangroves in a targeted manner, this ecosystem can help the community to adapt to sea level rise, protect the community from storms or coastal flooding, reverse degraded land, provide a biodiverse habitat, and with all these benefits, increase human well-being in harmony with nature.